Welcome to Jira Bakery. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how to create a Jira Service Management Project. To create a service management project, you have to go to click on the projects on the top right banner and click on Create Project link. So once you click on the Create Project link, it will by default it will be on the software development section selected as a software development, but now we are going to create service management project. So click on service management project and you are going to get multiple options what type of service management project that you would like to create. So whether it is about based on your business need and business behavior, you have to create the project. So the current offerings are IT service management, general service management for IT teams, customer service management, HR management, etc. etc. So for now, let's go and create IT service management. Let's select the template IT service management. So this is the template, and creating the IT service management we can get these request types. All these are the default request types that we are going to get along with the project. I'm going to explain in detail what is a request type and why we need a request type in my later videos. And also, I'm going to explain how to create our own request type. So let's go with the template offered features for now. I'm going to click on use this template, and I'm going to give the template name. This is how to name it. Okay, demo JSM project. So the key is auto generated. However, you can modify it based on your need. And the team type for this particular project, to which team are we going to create? These are all the features, but since we are creating it for the IT team, let's select the IT and simply go and click on the create project. These are the very simple basic steps to create a Jira Service Management project. Now you are in the Jira Service Management Project demo JSM project. Let's go and see. For now, we don't have any open tickets because we just created an issue. We just created a project. Now let's go and see the backend side. Oh, before we go to the backend side, if you see the service request, incidents, problems, and changes, these are all the default request types we got along with the template. Now let's go and see the backend. So for that, you have to go to project settings. So as soon as you click on the project settings, you will be navigated to the project details page. In that project details page, you see the name of the project that you have given and project key, along with few other details. If you want, you can describe what this project is meant for and all that. And also that you can select the project lead. And also another functionality and the good feature is that whatever the issue the user is going to create under this project, those issues will be automatically assigned to the person we are going to select in this default assignee section. For now, let's leave it as an unassigned. So just save it. So this is called the project details page. And now let's go and see the summary. In the project summary page, you are going to see all the default configurations of the Jira Service Management project. So these are all the default issue types, workflows, screens, fields, And I'm going to explain this in later advanced part of the Jira Service Management. So if you want to know what is an issue type and how to create an issue type, what's workflow, how to create a workflow, as well as screens and how to create screens, I have created videos of it. I'm going to add those in the description of this video. Please feel free to watch it to get the better understanding. And the next important thing you should know in Jira Service Management is request types. So the request type is something that the behavior of of the issue. So these are all the default request types that we received when we are creating the project. You can also create the new request type based on your business need. And also, you can eliminate the request types from your project if you think that this particular request type is not needed. And few other important features in Jira Service Management are automations, knowledge base. Like I mentioned in my what is Jira Service Management, this is the area where they have to create the knowledge base articles. Clicking on the knowledge base and clicking on the get started, it will be redirected to the Confluence. So if you know more about automations, I have created a separate playlist, Automation in Jira. Please feel free to watch it. There you can see multiple automations. So by default, you are going to get these four automations the Jira Service Management template has given. You can create your own automations by clicking the Create Automation button over here. So indeed, if please feel free to watch Automation for Jira playlist in this channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Jira Bakery.